One of the most important things that sometimes get overlooked is the matter of good lighting in a studio environment, production and interview. There's always a space for improvement and nailing that perfect light setup. One thing that you can improve is actually using more than one light for your studio setup. You can add practical lights visible in your background to get that cinematic feel in your footage. Adding also a fill light will cancel the shadows from the main key light. And the most important thing, adding a backlight, so-called hair light, so you can separate the subject from the background. Adding a color in the scene can bring up the wanted mood. No matter what scene you designated to light up, there is a new color panel from LUPO that could help you out. It's called the LUPO Lightning Action Panel Full Color. And yes, it's made in Italy. The action panel came seen with a big great looking backpack full of zippers and storage compartments, so you will be able to carry your action panel without problems. And I think 2 of them will fit inside just fine, even with all the accessories. The action panel came seen with the adapter for the plate V-Lock batteries, so you'll be able to power up your LUPO light with a V-Lock battery and get going, or with the included power cord adapter. The light came seen with also a soft-box plastic panel for your smoother light scenes. All the control functions for the action panel are in the back. Power on and off buttons, 3 knobs for the intensity, CCt, hue, color, saturation knobs. DMX through DMX input with 8-bit and 16-bit options for your dedicated DMX light controller. USB upgrade port, up and down confirm buttons, and noiseless fan for cooling. The power consumption at peak power is 60 watts, and at the maximum power it's able to bring you 5000 lux at 1 meter distance. The weight of the light is just 2 kilos, making it perfect for your always on the move shoot. Let's get straight to the control functions. In the menu system you will be able to choose between various different modes. RGB WE mode, preset mode for an backlight ambient mood, red, green, blue, soft pink, purple, gold, orange, diva green, Caribbean, pastel blue, cerulean, lavender, magenta, strawberry, light based amber, dark, rose, tint, no call straw, pale yellow, medium yellow, light, ambient fire, orange one, salmon, deep pink, rose, surprise pink, special lavender. Okay, there are a lot more presets built in, and also you can make 5 user presets savable in the light. A great way if you want to add a color scene mood in your scene and make it pop, just like me in the studio environment. In the effects mode you will be able to choose a variety of pre-installed light effects for your scene. Strobe light, party light, cop car, disco, television effect, paparazzi, lightning storm, explosion, fireworks fire, and fire effect. So you will be able to emulate some great effects for your upcoming movie, commercial or studio shoot. The CCt mode will give you the possibility to fine-tune your dedicated backlight with color ranges from 2800 kelvins all the way up to 10,000 kelvins, and control the tint from a scale of -1 to +1 with decimals up to 0.01, so you will have 200 tint colors options. Great to fine-tune your backlight and match with other light sources that you own. The HSI mode will bring you the one knob full color RGB mode, so you can rotate through all the range of the RGB scale, controlling actually also the saturation with the dedicated knob. Great for a personalized touch. On the device settings you can actually turn off the fan, but it's so quiet that it's unhearable even if you stand closer to it. The full color LED panel can be used also as your main light source if you have just one light, but have in mind that a bigger diffused panel will make a better solution. You can add your DMX controller and make your advanced light effects and build up your scene to your liking. The panel color rendering index is CRI 94 and TLCI 96. The best thing for this LED light is actually you don't have to carry any controller or outside devices rather than this panel, and this makes it perfect for your run and gun solution if you need a ready-to-go system without additional outside stuff. Actually, if you have a V-Log battery, this is all what you need to get going. What do you think, guys? For which type of scene would you use this kind of light? Comment section down below. I might also throw in some other YouTube tutorials on lighting stuff soon on my YouTube channel. If you want to know more about filmmaking, weddings, studio setup and gimbals, I made a personalized website where you can ask questions and actually get a video personalized reply. You can check it up, it's right in the link in the description. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.